Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing this hand. I just took off my previous set. I had it on for like 3 weeks, and this is the nail growth I have so far. And I'm gonna start off by pushing back the cuticles. If you're new here and you haven't seen my video about my last set, this hand, I grew out my natural nails and I'm really happy about it. I do have some breakage, especially here, but yeah, I'm gonna try to fix it and keep growing them out because I really have been liking this length. And since it's been 3 weeks, I do have some nail prep to do. Now I'm gonna go in with my flame bit and remove the cuticle, kind of like lift it up so I can cut it better. Next, I'm gonna go in with my cuticle nippers. I got these cuticle nippers off of Amazon and I love them. I'm probably gonna do like an Amazon storefront or something, and link all the stuff I'm using in there in case you're curious. I've gotten a comment asking to show my tools and stuff that I'm using, but I think it would be easier to just do like a link where you guys can just pull it up if you're interested in to see in what I'm using. But yeah, like I just mentioned, I'm removing the dead skin around my cuticle, and the dead skin is pretty much like the white stuff that looks like dry and dead around your cuticles. I don't know like how to explain it otherwise, but yeah, be careful when doing this so you don't cut your active like live skin, because this can cause infection. And no, this should not hurt. If it hurts, you're doing something wrong. Alright, for my next step, I will be using my tiny sanding band and basically just go over my cuticle area like right here, and also like remove the shine from my natural nails. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in with my nail file and I'm gonna use the 180 side to smooth out the nail and like reshape the nail. Since this is broken, I'm gonna have to take it off because this will not give any support to my nail when I apply the product. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a nail form to build the nail. Alright, all the nail prep is done, and now I'm gonna wipe them down with some alcohol. Even though my nails like grew out quite a bit, they don't feel like sturdy. Like if I would not apply any product, they would probably break. Alright, I'm gonna be working with Polygel today. Last time I worked with some gel, and today I want to do it with some Polygel. Before I'm gonna apply the Polygel, I have to put a layer of base coat onto all of my nails. If you want like your nails to last, I would recommend you putting a nail primer and dehydrator on. The ones I'm usually using is the one from Mia's Secret. and I like that a lot. I had no issues with lifting or whatsoever, but I'm not applying any product because I'm doing nail content. I do change my nails quite a bit. And yes, I did cut myself a little bit here. But anyways, I'm changing my nail sets quite a bit. So I don't just want to like waste product if I'm not gonna be wearing them for too long. Even though I must say I had my previous nail set on for like almost 3 weeks, and like I had no lifting or anything, and I don't think I used any product either for that nail set, but I'm not sure. I can't quite remember. But yeah, once base coat is on, I'm gonna be curing this in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. All right, base coat is on. Let's get into the application. I'm gonna apply one layer of Cheer Up from my card. That's my first time using this Polygel actually. I wanted like this peachy kind of nude tone. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do one bead, apply a thin layer. I don't want these nails to be too thick. I applied way too much. But yeah, I got these gloves recently to protect my skin from the UV light, and these are so cute. I love the little teddy bear. I got these off from Shein. They were literally like $3 or something. So yeah, that might look a little bit funny with the gloves underneath, but I don't want to mess up the nail set I have underneath because I'm really proud of them. I kind of wish I put a peel off base coat on. I'm really regretting it now because I think these turned out so good, but there's no way I can just like take them off without breaking them basically. I'm gonna take off the excess that I have, and I'm putting it back on my bottle because I don't want to waste product. All right, I like this, and I will be curing now. The nail is kind of flat, so I will apply a little bit more polygel just to build a little bit more structure. All right, now I'm gonna apply some more polygel just to build some more of a structure. What I usually like to do when I add some more polygel, do like a little ball kind of looking shape, and then start patting the sides out a little bit, going towards the cuticle area, and do the same like on both sides. So once you've done that, you're just gonna drag down the polygel towards the front or end, I don't know, whatever it is to you. For me it's the front. Okay, and it's already coming together. Okay, looking so much better, and I will be curing again. All right, like I mentioned, I'm gonna use a nail form to fix that nail. And now I'm gonna apply some where my natural nail is, the end, and the nail form. I'm gonna be doing this in 2 steps because it's just easier for me. And I'm pushing like the polygel back so it can blend in better. Okay, and I will be curing. All right, looking so much better already. And now I'm just gonna apply a little bit more polygel towards the cuticle area. And same technique I'm using here as well, putting like a little dot, like a ball, and then I'm just dragging everything towards the cuticle area. I'm not dragging, I mean like patting it towards the cuticle area as close as possible without touching the skin. If you touch the skin, make sure to clean it up. So I need a little bit more here, so I'm gonna drag the polygel towards this area now. And then just smoothing out the rest of the polygel towards the front. All right, and I will be curing. Alright, here are the nails after all the polygel is laid, and now let's start reshaping the nails. I got my dust collector here and a hand file. Alright, here are the nails after they've been shaped, filed, and buffed, and I put a matte top coat over it because I had to go to work and I didn't want the nails to be messed up. But yeah, let's get into the design. I'm gonna apply a layer of this cat's eye polish. I'm gonna be drawing some French tips today. Alright, next I will be using this color. It's a cat's eye as well, and I'm gonna be drawing on some cherries. Right, I decided to go with purple instead of the red. I changed it because I didn't think it was matching too great. And now I'm gonna add like a star kind of looking thing. Now I'm gonna apply some top coat. Now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. And here are the finished nails. I think these turned out so cute. I usually wouldn't go for a set like this. It's not really my kind of style, I would say, but I still think these turned out really cute. I love that I used the cat's eye polish for the reflections. And I love the length, it's so cute. I think this is like the end of an era of growing out my nails because honestly they're not really sturdy, but I really love how these turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.